shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Hey everyone, I'm Teri. I want to be your friend and I want to talk to you a little bit about Luma by Impact. So first, I just want to say that I know whenever schools roll out something new, more than likely your first thought is usually, oh, awesome, another thing on my plate, great. But honestly, I get it because I have worked in schools in just about every role. I was starting off as a lead toddler teacher, 11 poop diapers for my record. I have taught each age group. I have driven the vans. I have cleaned the toilets. I've saved the 3-year-old room from an overflowing toilet one time. And as I grew in my career, I've coached teachers and directors for years. And now I do this across the country, working in multiple states. But one thing I know for sure is this: you as early educators are carrying a lot. You are managing difficult child behaviors, very high parent expectations and concerns, compliance, safety. You want to meet every child's needs where they are. You want to make your directors happy, and it's a lot. Transitions, all of this, you're making tiny little micro decisions all before 10 a.m. sometimes, and it can feel heavy. So before I explain what Luma is, I want to help you understand just why I created this, why our team built this. It was truly built to help you because we believe in you. I want you to hear this clearly. Luma was created not to add stress to your day, but to be an extra thinking partner for you. This is not intended to be more work. No way. It was created to reduce your stress. It was created because teachers told us they need more daily support. They want more daily support. Trainings are great, workshops are great, but they need more help in the moment each day, not waiting 3 or 4 days until someone can get back to your room to help you, not waiting until they're able to get coverage to pull you out to come up front and have a conversation in the office about what's going on with these specific kids. We built this to help you have a thinking partner every day to help guide with some new strategies for helping the challenging kids. We call them character builders in my schools, but to really help those kids get over that hump, or to help you feel less burnout and to feel more confident, to have better tools in your toolbox. So I want you to think of Luma as almost like having a coach every day in your classroom with you. It's like having a behavior specialist, a leadership mentor, and really just a bestie encouraging you along the way, someone that you can talk to and get guidance from and be heard and get that support that you need. And the coolest part, the more you use it, the smarter Luma gets. So the more you share about yourself, about your wins, your challenges, about the specific kids in your classroom, about your coworkers, the smarter Luma's going to get. It's going to get to know you and be able to give better guidance, more specific, tailored support for you. But here's the good news. It is not designed to take forever. This is designed really to just be bookends for your day. So you come into work, as you're getting set up, open up Luma, pop in, get just a quick overview of, okay, here's some strategies and some things, some quick little activities I could do during the day with these specific kids that have been a little more challenging, or maybe a really quiet child that needs a little more support. Maybe it's a coworker, some situation weird, some stuff pops up, right? Some weird personality dynamic that has popped up between you and someone else. And Luma's going to give you a little strategy, something to say, things that you can do. The overall goal is, of course, you having more peace, having more time, feeling more equipped, having strategies to try, and then also a calmer classroom. That is our goal. So I want you to think of this as come in the morning, open it up, look at it, get a quick overview of what we're going to do, and then that's it. Go about your day. The teachers who have been in using Luma already as beta testers tend to do their check-in either at nap time or at the end of the day. And what that looks like is just a quick, you have a check-in with Luma button, and it's just a quick, hey, this is how things went today. Today was a great day, or today was a little more difficult. This kid did this, and this was some of the challenges. I'm really feeling, defeated, or I felt so great today, thank you. Or I tried this and it didn't work. What do you think I should do next? This parent wants to have a conversation. It really freaks me out. What should I do? That's the type of thing that Luma is going to then give you some guidance on. And then you'll start over the next day. So again, this is not designed to take too much of your time. It's just quick little check-ins to tell Luma how the day went, how Luma can better support you, ask ideas, get behavior support for children, get activity suggestions, get communication help for those really challenging personality clashes that can pop up with coworkers, and even get support in those most challenging, stressful moments when you feel overwhelmed, burnout, when your brain just feels like it can't take anymore. Because sometimes the adults in the classroom need co-regulation too, right? Can I get an amen on that one? And here's something else that matters. This is not about perfection. This is about, it's not anyone judging you. It's not looking for you to be perfect and get everything exactly right. It's surely not about catching things or mistakes or looking for failure. We have specifically built in anonymity into Luma, so it's anonymous. So we're looking at general overall patterns is what's going up to your directors, but not every single thing that you're putting in or that you're talking in. That stays safe with you in your profile. This is truly about helping you feel more confident, more supported, and more successful in the classroom, especially because you have one of the hardest jobs in the world. And we just saw a need for this, I call it a daily support gap, where as leaders, you just can't be in every room and help every teacher when they need it or when something pops up. So Luma's the answer for that. Because when you feel supported, your classrooms do better. When you feel more confident and you know that you have some different things in your back pocket that you can try, your classroom's gonna feel better. You're gonna feel better. The children are gonna do better. And when the children do better, everything changes. That's when your day is more smooth. So my challenge for you is simple. Please don't think of Luma as just one more thing to do. Think of it as more support, as a thinking partner and a daily coach for you. It's your classroom bestie, your thinking partner, your daily behavior coach. So let her help you. That's right, Luma is a girl. I encourage you to jump in, explore it, use those quick tools that are in there, ask Luma questions, try the ideas and the advice that it asks you to try. The teachers who are using it now, the leadership who are using it now, love Luma. It's already been helping them have more smooth days. It's given them lots of new ideas. And I will say the ones who are getting the most value out of Luma are the ones who are telling it more information and updating it every day. Just really using it and helping Luma get smarter. Because the more you tell Luma about yourself and about your children, about your stressors, the smarter she's going to get. And don't forget, she really does help with that coworker drama. So we are excited to welcome you into Luma, to partner with you, to support you, to walk alongside of you. Your work is among the most important work there is. You are building brains. You are creating self-esteem in children. They're learning, are they good at school? Does my teacher like me? Do I belong here? Am I loved and am I safe? That to me is truly the most long-term legacy you can have. So I thank you for the hard work you do. I'm so excited for you to try Luma and let us know what you think, because as your school is a founding member, we've built this core structure of it, the bare bones of Luma as it is right now. But we have a lot of things we're going to be adding on our roadmap, and we're going to partner with you to hear what you want. So what things would you like to see in Luma? And we'll build it. So just let us know. And again, I'm cheering you on.